विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही सर्कल या चॅप्टरमध्ये प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 3.2 शिकलात. आज आपण नवीन कन्सेप्ट पुढची आर्क ऑफ ए सर्कल शिकणार आहोत. फर्स्ट I draw the circle with center C. Line K is a secant. This line K intersect the circle at point A and B. By this secant, the circle is divided in two parts. This upper part is the lower part. This upper part is called arc AYB and this lower is called arc AXB. This arc is called major arc and this arc is called minor arc. Therefore, I write here circle with center C, line AB is secant, major arc is arc AYB, minor arc is arc AXB. You also write the minor arc by two letters also, arc AB. Now next is central angle. I draw the circle with center O and again I draw here angle AOB. In figure, this O, point O is the vertex of angle and center of the circle also. Therefore, this angle AOB is called central angle. AOB is called central angle. The definition of central angle is when the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, it is called a central angle. Angle AOB is a central angle and its measure is, I denote a theta. Now, what is the measure of, how to find the measure of central angle or measure of minor arc or measure of major arc? First point, measure of a minor arc, this minor arc, measure of this minor arc is equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. Means measure of arc APB is equal to measure of angle AOB. Means is a theta. Measure of arc APB is equal to measure of angle AOB is equal to theta. Definition, measure of a minor arc is equal to measure of its corresponding central angle or measure of a central angle is equal to measure of a corresponding minor arc. Now next concept, measure of a major arc. In figure, which is the major arc? This one. How to find the measure of the major arc? This is equal to measure of a complete circle minus measure of its corresponding minor arc. Measure of its corresponding minor arc. Hence I write here measure of a major arc is equal to measure of a complete circle means 360 degree minus measure of a corresponding minor arc. Therefore, from figure I write here measure of arc AQB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc APB. In figure, circle with center O, I draw here AB is the diameter. By this diameter, circle is divided in two parts and these two parts are equal parts. Each part is called semicircular arc or semicircle or semicircle. The measure of the semicircle is 180 degree. Hence I write here measure of arc AXB is equal to measure of arc AYB is equal to 180 degree. Again, measure of the complete circle is a 360 degree. Now, next concept is congruence of a arc. Congruence of a arcs. If measures of two arcs are equal with equal radii, then these arcs are called congruent arcs. In figure, which are the congruent arcs? Here, circle with center O, angle AOB is a central angle, its measure is 40 degree. Hence, measure of arc AB also 40 degree. Angle BOC is a central angle. Its measure is 40 degree. Hence measure of arc BC also 40 degree. Means arc AB and arc BC are the congruent arcs. Hence I write here in figure angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to 40 degree. Therefore measure of arc AB is equal to measure of arc BC. Therefore arc AB congruent to arc BC. Similarly, from the figure angle FOE 80 degree. Hence measure of this arc means FE 80 degree. Again angle COD 80 degree. Therefore measure of arc CD is 80 degree. Means arc FE and arc CD are the congruent arcs. I write in this way, angle COD is equal to angle FOE. COD is equal to angle FOE is equal to 80 degree. Hence measure of arc CD is equal to measure of arc FE. Therefore arc CD congruent to arc FE. Now from this figure I explain the property of sum of measures of arcs. If you add this arc, these two arcs, arc FAB plus arc BCD, then you got arc FBD, arc FVD. Measure of arc FAB plus measure of arc BCD, this is equal to, you write measure of arc FBD. But if you write measure of arc FAB plus measure of arc ACD, this one, this is not equal to measure of arc FBD, because in FAB arc AB is present. Again in arc ACD arc AB is present. In both the arc AB is present. Hence you don't write this measure of arc FAB plus measure of arc ACD is not equal to measure of arc FBD. Thank you.